Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mild but windy conditions across our area today. No chance of precipitation or lightning, but we'll continue to see those winds above 25 knots throughout the remainder of the work hours today. We do have currently in a wind advisory, and we'll continue to see that for the work hours I mentioned. We'll see some cooler conditions move in tomorrow. We have a cold front moving through for this evening. Not going to see any precipitation with that cold front, but it will usher in some cooler Canadian air for our Thursday. And then we'll see a warmer day for Friday with a chance of some rain showers across the region. Our current sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level around 10,000 feet. Our winds are out of the southwest to west-southwest and low levels around 35 knots and increasing out of the west up to 73 knots at 25,000 feet. Our current surface analysis, we do have a cold front currently across the Ohio Valley. It's going to be moving towards the region today. An area low pressure with that cold front. It's going to be moving through New England, giving those areas some snow showers across that area. But across our region, we'll just have this tight pressure gradient with some fairly strong westerly to southwesterly winds for today, turning more northwesterly later this evening as that cold front moves through the region. And behind that, as I mentioned, we'll have a Canadian air mass moving the region, high pressure building in, giving us some cooler conditions for our Thursday. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a little bit of cirrus cloudiness off to our north and to our west, but overall, sunny skies across the region, good sky conditions for today. And taking a look at the European model the next few days here, you can see that cold front moving through for this evening, and then tomorrow high pressure builds in, temperatures in the lower to mid 40s for highs. And for Friday, we'll see a warm front move through during the overnight hours. That's going to give us a good chance of rain showers. And then for Friday, looks like we'll have rain showers in and out of the region throughout the day. Looks like the best chance for here at Wallops will be during the morning hours, and then as well as the evening hours. Looks like the system should lift just far enough north and put us in the warm sector on Friday afternoon, and most likely won't see much in the way of precipitation, just some light rain showers for our Friday afternoon, and primarily will be off to our north. Once we move in the evening hours, that cold front move through, giving us another chance of some good chance of some rain showers. And then once that does move through, we'll see some cooler conditions build in for Saturday into Sunday. We'll see more mild conditions return for early next week for Monday into Tuesday. We'll have a few different disturbances moving through for Sunday evening as well as for Monday. Could give us a sprinkle, but overall those chances of rain look to be slim at this time. And as we move into Tuesday of next week, we'll continue to see high pressure in general in store across the region. Continue to see a few different disturbances moving through here in the European model, but most likely just looking at a dry and mild beginning of next week. So looking at our risk chart for today, expecting the high in the upper 50s to lower 60s, 61 on this forecast with the daytime high, and then tonight we'll see a low of 29. Our winds will be windy today, southwest to northwest, or turning northwest for later this afternoon. So we'll continue to see those southwesterly winds gusting anywhere from about 30 to 35 knots this morning into the afternoon hours. And then once that cold front does move through, we'll continue to see those winds out of the northwest. Not quite as strong as we'll have before the cold front, gust to 30, maybe 25 to 30 knots for later this afternoon, the evening hours. And then once we move in the overnight, we'll have that area high pressure start to build in, and winds will calm down with north winds only 3 to 6 knots by tomorrow morning. Our terminal forecast is going to see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours, a little bit of cloud cover around 4,000 feet overnight with that colder air mass moving in, but overall anywhere from mostly sunny to mostly clear skies through the overnight into tomorrow morning. Our tides are slightly below normal, and looking at the Thursday and Friday time frames here, Thursday mostly sunny in the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy, high of 44, green chart across the board on Thursday. Thursday night mostly cloudy to overcast, rain showers likely overnight. We'll see an evening low of 38, then temperatures rising to lower 40s overnight. We'll see a red condition for our rainfall on Thursday night time period here. And for our Friday, looking at the overcast to mostly cloudy skies, rain likely during the morning and the evening, be mild and breezy, high of 58 degrees. So for the next 7 days, we'll have those well above normal temperatures today, near 60. We'll see highs back towards normal tomorrow around 44, then back well above normal for Friday at 58. And then continuing to be above normal, looks like Saturday, back towards more normal temperatures on Sunday. So upper 40s to lower 50s on Saturday, mid 40s on Sunday, and then back to a mild and dry conditions for Monday and Tuesday, as I mentioned, a high of 59 on Monday and a high of 50 on Tuesday. So after that colder stretch we had in the beginning of January, looks like we're going to start to see some above normal temperatures across the region, as the pattern looks like to be a warmer pattern across our area at least through early next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m.